morning, Rex. Today is Monday, May 4th, which makes today Star Wars Day. Because May the 4th be with you. Three big things coming at you. We got a new Counselors Connect series that you should have received. And Monday focuses on showing empathy towards others, caring for those in their time of need. Now, some of you may need empathy from others, but if you're able to show empathy, that is above sympathy. It's not just saying, hey, sorry about what's going on, but really showing that you care. Sending them a little extra something without them asking for it, whether it be an actual item or a little bit of caring, it can go a long way. Martina's 6th edition of Stories to Fall Asleep To, The Interlopers, is now out. You should have received it over the weekend. And over the weekend, seniors had their signs dropped off, and you could see some of the ladies that received them over this past weekend. Happy birthday goes out to Julina! Julina with the birthday today. That's all I got. Get your work started early. I'll see you in workouts at 3:30, and have a great day, Rax.